Good day, everyone. Today we are starting our first class on Prota structure. So go to new project. A new project. Project code is the name of your project. Just give it a name. Let's call it project 1. Project 1. And then select a code. We use BS 8110. UKBS 8110. So okay. And then that takes us to the main page, the main layout of our Prota structure. Allow it to load. So for our designs, to start our design, if we have our architectural plan already on our AutoCAD, we can easily save it as DSL file and bring it to Prota structure. Whereas if we have a plan that we want to work with, we can just get generator as is through the center to center spacing of the structure. So for today's class, go to modeling. We are going to generate axis. So go to orthogonal axis generator, click on it, come here, just click, left click, and the dialog box will come out. Clearer view of that. So here we are going to change A to 1 and 1 to A, because if we leave it this way and just say okay, we'll see that our axis is generated, but the numbering pattern is not the way it ought to be. Numbering alphabetical should go from left to right, and numbers should go from bottom to up. So we will need to change that as a Ctrl Z. So I go back to my orthogonal axis generator to generate axis. This axis we want to generate are the center to center spacing of our structures. So I'll change it to 1 and change this to A, capital E. So this is our axial spacing. This from bottom and going above, that is vertical spacing. So we'll decide what we'll use. If you have a spacing of 2000 and the next spacing is 3000, you have to say comma to specify the difference between the both. Next spacing is 3000 millimeters and next is 4000 millimeters. If we have two dimensions that are the same, the spacing coming close, we just say times 2 using our hash key. So if I say 3000, or let me say 2500 times 2 of my shift times 2, it tells it that 2500 twice. And then let me end with it 4000. Then that is for vertical spacing. For our horizontal spacing, we come here, we edit based on whatever we have. Let's say 6000, comma, to specify the differences, comma, 3000, let's say 3000 times 3. Today we are just working on practice. Later I'll work with a natural plan. So once you've done that, you say okay. Then your axis will be generated, having A to E, that is alphabetical, horizontal, and numerical, vertical. So this is how we generate axis.